To graph this linear inequality, as with any linear inequality, we do the following two-step process. First of all, graph the line you get when you turn the inequality into an equal sign. Okay, let's graph that line. We need 2 points that are on the graph. And if x is 0, then 0 divided by 5 is 0, so y is also 0. On the other hand, if x equals 5, then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And we have the 2 points we need to graph this line. Here's my x and y axes. Zero, 0 is the point right here. And 5, 1 means we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1. So this line, which will be a dashed line because we're not including or equal to, so we're not including the actual points on the line, looks like this. Now we have to determine which side of that line to shade. So which side of the line to shade? Now we can't ask the origin this time because this line goes through the origin. But we can ask the question of any other line. We can also notice that y is bigger than, y is the up-down coordinate, so y is larger than it's the top side of the line. So it's the top side of the line. But we could also ask a point like this point right here, the point 0, 1. We can ask, hey, are you shaded? Is the point 0, 1 shaded? We can answer that question by going to the original inequality and simply substituting in x equals 0 and y equal 1. So substitute x is 0 and y is 1. And this becomes 1. We wonder, is 1 bigger than 0 divided by 5? Is 1 bigger than 0? Yes. 1 is bigger than 0. And that's the answer to the question, is 0, 1 shaded? Yes, it is shaded. This point's shaded, so the shady side of the line is the top side, and everything up here is part of the solution set to this linear inequality. And notice we would have found that right away by looking, y is bigger than this. The points on it is where y is equal to that, so above it is where y is greater than that.